hope all of you are doing okay. I'm doing great. I've gotten a lot done today, and I've been very productive, and that's a great day for me. And if you're not doing okay and you're not having a good day and you just feel like you need somebody to talk to, just comment below and hey, we'll all be there. We're in this together. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this, but I did want to say hello. I'm starting out with about 3 pounds of chicken, and this is chicken thighs. I did wash them. They are completely unthawed. They are not frozen. If you're not a fan of dark meat or bone-in chicken, you can always use chicken breast for this recipe. I would recommend covering it though as you cook it. In order to keep it moist and tender, you could even put just maybe 1/4 cup of chicken broth or water in the bottom of the pan too if you're doing chicken breast. Okay, so now we are going to coat these with olive oil, and I'm almost out of olive oil. But I had enough, and it just took maybe a tablespoon or 2, and you're going to coat these from the top to the bottom. Now you'll need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and we are just going to put just a little bit on the top of each one of these chicken thighs. Then we are going to bathe these chicken thighs in that minced garlic, top and bottom. You do want to make sure that your chicken skin is on the top when you're baking these, because what happens is that chicken skin, it just makes all of that meat moist and tender. If you don't like the chicken skin, you can always take it off, but it does make the meat much more tender. You will need 1 lemon, or you could even use lemon juice. We're just going to squeeze that whole lemon on top of this chicken. You want to make sure you don't get seeds in it. You can always juice it first and then put it on there. You can just do like I'm doing. I'm all about less dishes to wash. Now we are going to add some pepper, and this is just to your taste. I like lots of pepper. You will need some sea salt, and if you don't have sea salt, you can just use regular table salt, but sea salt is best on this recipe. And then go ahead and just salt this, and if you're on a low sodium diet, you might want to go easy on that salt, that sodium. We are going to add a pinch of oregano on each chicken thigh. And you can be really generous with this if you want to. I really think the oregano really just makes this recipe, and the lemon is so good. Then we're going to cover this and refrigerate it for 2 hours. You can even do it overnight. Then just preheat your oven for 325 degrees, and you will cook this for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And about the halfway point of baking this, just take and baste that chicken fat that's in the bottom of your baking dish on top of these chicken thighs. And it will keep it moist while it's baking, because you will not cover this. And when you're done, you'll just drain the fat out of your baking dish. You can even put your chicken on paper towels to drain the fat. And y'all, this chicken is so good, you'll think it's fried.